We love our lawns and gardens. They're perfect for family gatherings. But keeping them healthy can be tough. Overwatering kills plants and wastes water, while underwatering leaves them thirsty.
I wish my garden looked better.
Introducing GeoDrops, an AI-powered sensor and irrigation manager. GeoDrops uses next-generation sensors and computer AI to figure out the perfect amount of water for your garden. Reduce water waste, enjoy the convenience, and watch your garden flourish with GeoDrops. Hi, I'm Lawrence. I spent years as a computer architect at Google, building some of the world's most advanced computer systems. Now my colleagues and I are bringing that expertise into GeoDrops with the latest breakthroughs in sensor physics and computer AI. To use GeoDrops, simply set it up on the app, insert it into the ground, and just sit back and let GeoDrops do all the work. GeoDrops continuously learns your soil conditions, then combines them with weather forecasts in order to accurately predict and notify you of the best time to water. It can even control many smart irrigation systems directly. GeoDrops batteries last up to an entire year, and they are purposely designed so you can keep mowing your lawn worry-free. Crafted with premium commercial-grade materials, GeoDrops are built to withstand even the harshest weather. So no matter where you grow your lawns and gardens, GeoDrops will perform flawlessly for many years to come. GeoDrops contains a powerful edge AI processor with a proprietary displacement sensor. Similar to self-driving cars, GeoDrops uses self-learning AI, training on over 600,000 hours of real-world data. These technologies enable GeoDrops to be one of the only sensors in the world that work across all soil types, while delivering incredible accuracy. Let's hear what our beta users have to say.
But GeoDrops has actually done extremely well. It really pinpointed exactly when I started pulse watering, and it made such a difference with how I'm actually controlling my irrigation.
We started testing out GeoDrops about a year ago, and I'm kind of excited with what I see. As far as reliability goes, the sensor just keeps on working. It's quite exciting. I think it's kind of the evolution of the industry.
GeoDrops is an incredible game changer that revolutionizes garden irrigation. Back our pre-order campaign today, and you can help us bring GeoDrops to life, help you grow a healthier garden, and help planet Earth with water conservation. Thank you.